Hi YouTubers, today I have made a small expansion module for the Denjay development board just to show what else you can do with expansion port. As you can see on the back side here we have a Bluetooth module from Shure Electronics. It's a seller on eBay which has good prices and fast shipping. It doesn't do too much right now, but I have successfully interfaced it with my computer, which has a joystick to it. Also, I made a small C# program here. My joystick. Let's push it, and we get information from the joystick. Let's see if I can make both of them in the picture. Okay, as you can see, and we have this one. Of course, the buttons. Fire button is button 1, and then the POW here, POV. But also, we can turn this little thing on here. We have the small parachute man here. And in the background here it is running the Denjay operating system. Nothing too fancy, just something that makes the whole device tick. And you can run several background application. Right now the development board is controlling the module, the display, and all these buttons, and also all the software timers at once here. So we can reset a software button, a software timer, and you can see the timer goes on. But let's connect to it. This should be a combo box, but I didn't have the time to finish it. So just do that, connect, and we should see the little person move here. Come on, connect. There. Let's put this up here somewhere. So now you'll see when I move my joystick. I push fire. Some sort of delay there, but it's reasonable. Probably some small fixes, yes. So this is pretty much game control for the development board. So you can see you have it here, all the readings. X, oh, not X. This is the X-axis, Y-axis, and this is Z-axis, I think. And then we have the slider. The slider also changes the background color of the small device. Let's see the delay. Pretty much delay here, about 300 milliseconds I would say. I don't know if it depends on the buffer on the computer. Buffering is a little bit slow here. Well, as you can see, it works, and it's wireless via Bluetooth. All this software will be open source when we get our FTP server up for Denjay, and everyone will be able to download it. The joystick software is written in C# with Visual Studio 2008 and uses DirectX, direct input. Yeah. Boop. And let's disconnect because I haven't implemented any exception handler. Yeah. And turn it off. Now you can see it doesn't work anymore. So that's all for today. So Bluetooth module from Shore Electronics, and the development board is from Denjay, and the software will be open source as soon as our FTP server is up. Bye.